Here, I welcome to all my dear students. Today, we are going to learn role of computer in research. So, let's start with the next topic, role of computer in research. Role of computer in research. The researcher is responsible for entering input data, instructing the system, or utilizing information output of the system. In analyzing the research problem, researcher and the computer from system with result through a set of interactions between the computer and the researcher. Next is computer and research work. The computer is a marvelous tool. Both computer and computer systems form an integral part of the business system in today's business world. Computer systems perform function of storing, controlling, processing, and outputting. The society has changed. An industrial or information society of advances in technology, particularly microelectronics, have made a possible increase in the number and uses of computers of all sizes. Decision making is one of the most important tasks of every researcher. This has to be based not entirely, at least a certain extent, on fact. The next is computers are becoming a part of research process because of the following reasons. The first is computers offer unmatched speed, performing computations faster than humans. Second is computers can do critical and dangerous tasks that may be hazards to humans. Next is computer provide information which can be used in decision making. And last is computers offer services in medicine and science that previously did not exist. Modern computers can perform most complex tasks in fraction of second. The speed of computer is related to amount of data processed, volume, and frequency. Next is computer information system. Computer information systems are information systems that include a computer. This system consists of people, data programs, and computers. These programs are instruction for computers as procedures, instruction for people. The computer can serve several roles in the production of information. It can serve as a data storage and retrieval device. Computers and humans act as partners and information system. The human would have in a manual system integrated to the computer. Next is computer-based information system used in research work. The term system is generally used to denote the group of actions, personal and procedures used for processing data. It is related activities which may not involve computer. First one is known as manual system. Subsystems are referred the part of large system. The system's analysis is to cover an entire problem and systematically investigate the objectives of the system and the criteria for system to evaluate and alternates in terms of effectiveness. In this slide, now we will discuss research activity and information resources management. Information resources management approach can help the researcher in data processing. Research is an approach to the management and based on the concept that information is organizational resources. Concept of information resources management. This concept is reaction of managers to technicians, dominance of information system. The department is in need of particular information and aware of the same information in the same organization. Features of information resources management. Following are the features of information resources management. The first is information is viewed as a resources. Next is it is seen as an organizational resources. And last is it comes from many sources. Next is information similarity with other resources. First is it has a cost. Second is it has a return on investment. And third is there is an opportunity cost for not having information. The task of IRM and coordinate about the activities for the entire organization. Is an all information focus concept involve less than organizing all aspect of the information activities and flows, while considering the different ingredients. It can be easily used in research activity. This approach should help the researcher in different ways, save energy, time, and money of the researcher. Thank you.